You think women have always been protected from violence? Not until Episode 4, She Was Believed. Marital rape wasn't illegal in all 50 states until 1993. A husband could rape his wife, legally, and the law was fine with it. That was just 32 years ago. 1871, Alabama becomes the first state to criminalize wife beating. Most states have no such law. 1972, the first rape crisis center opens. Survivors finally have somewhere to go. 1976, Nebraska becomes the first state to criminalize marital rape. 49 states still legal. 1993, finally, all 50 states. 1994, the Violence Against Women Act is signed into law. VAWA created the first federal definition of domestic violence. It funded shelters, hotlines, and rape crisis centers. It established the National Domestic Violence Hotline, still running, still saving lives. And it has had to be reauthorized 4 times, because it has been held hostage by politics, every single time. Anita Hill testified in 1991 and was publicly destroyed for it. Tarana Burke founded their Me Too in 2006, long before the world was ready to listen. They spoke when speaking had a cost. 1 in 5 women in the U.S. will be raped in their lifetime. Only 5 out of every 1,000 rapists will serve prison time. Over 400,000 rape kits sit untested in labs right now. Believing women isn't enough. The system has to catch up. Believe survivors. Demand rape kit funding. Know the hotlines, 1-800-799-7233 for domestic violence, and protect VAWA every time it comes up for renewal. Next episode, Not Until She Could Lead. Share this with someone who needs to hear it.